Students. Okay, welcome to mathematics class. Okay, so today we're going to study again mathematics. But before we proceed to our new lesson, so we have online class rules. Number one, sit down properly. Okay, again, number one online class rules. Sit down properly. Okay, and number two, watch and listen carefully. Okay, so you look at this girl. She is listening carefully. Okay, again, number two, watch and listen carefully. And number three, prepare your worksheet and workbook. Again, number three online class rule, prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay. So once again, we learn math 1. Okay. So this is your teacher June with teacher Mark. Okay. So your mathematics teacher. So our lesson for today is all about addition up to 20 horizontal method. Again, our lesson is all about addition up to 20 horizontal method. Okay, so we have addition keywords. Okay, part, add, equals, addition sentence, whole, sum, join, again, part, add, equals, addition sentence, whole, sum, join. So these are the addition keywords. And this is the plus sign. You look at this. So this is a plus sign addition. Okay, so the addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. Okay, again, the addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. Okay. So example, the symbol used to indicate addition is this one, plus symbol. Okay, so this is the symbol. You remember that already. Okay. So we have addition sentence. Okay. So read as 7 plus 4 equals 11. So you look. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. So 7 plus 4 is our addend and 11 is our sum. Okay. So you look. 7 plus 4 addend and then 11 is our sum. Okay. S-U-N. Okay, so this is an example of horizontal addition. Okay, 8 plus 0 equals 8. 18 plus 2 equals 20. You look, 8 plus 0 equals 8. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Okay, so we're going to practice more. Okay, we're going to practice addition up to 20 horizontal method. Okay, so we're going to find the sum using horizontal method. So you look, this is an example. So what are these? These are flowers. Okay, so you look, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 flowers. plus, what are these? These are watts. Okay, so 8 plus 6 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. Okay, very good. So, okay, let us proceed to number 1. Okay, so what are these? These are, okay, polar bear. Okay, so these are polar bear. Okay, how many polar bear are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Plus, okay, what are these? These are giraffe. Okay, so how many giraffe are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, very good. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, number 3. Okay, what are these? These are girls. Okay, girls. How many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. Plus, okay, what are these? These are boys. Okay, so how many boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 plus 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. Very good. And number 3, okay, what are these? These are rabbits. Okay, how many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 rabbits. Plus, okay, what are these? These are rats. Okay, how many rats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 plus 8 equals how many? 12 plus 8 equals 20. Very good. So the answer is 20. Okay, what are these? What are these? Bread. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 50. Okay, and what are these? These are butter. Okay, so 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 plus 4 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 15 plus 4 equals 19. Correct. Very good. And number 5. Okay, what are these? Okay, these are shoes. Okay, how many shoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. And what are these? These are socks. Okay, how many socks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. Correct. Very good. And number 6. So what are these? These are clowns. Red. Okay, how many clowns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 plus. Okay, what are they? Balloons. Good. So 9 plus 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. Very good. So what are these? These are television or TV. Okay, how many televisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Plus, okay, what are these? These are refrigerator or red or which, okay? 6 plus 6 equals how many? What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, correct. Very good. And number 8, okay, you look at the picture. What are these? These are table. Correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 tables plus. Okay, what are these? These are chairs. So, how many chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, correct. Very good. So 9 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Correct. Very good. So let us proceed to number 9. Okay, what are these? These are cookies. Okay, very good. How many cookies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 cookies. That's what are these? These are ice cream. How many ice cream are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 8 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so the answer is 8 plus 8 equals 16. Very good. Okay, let us proceed to number 10. Okay, what are these? These are whiteboard. Okay, how many whiteboards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 whiteboards. Okay, plus, what are they? These are whiteboard marker. Okay, let us count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 whiteboard marker. Okay, so 9 plus 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. So this is your worksheet. Everybody have a worksheet. So you're going to write your name. Do not forget to write your name, your number, primary, 1. Also, what is your section? 1 section 1, 1 section 2. Okay, so you're going to write in the on the block. Okay, so do not write the score. So teacher June will be the one to write the score. So this is an example. Okay, so what are these? Visa. Okay, visa. How many visa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus how many drums? 6. So 9 plus 6 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. Okay, so you're going to answer this. Okay, so number 1 and 2. Okay, so you're going to add horizontal method. 8 plus 7, so you're going to count. Okay, 8 plus 7 equals, what's your answer? 6 plus 8 equals, okay, you're going to write your answer on the block. 5 and 6. 6 plus 5. 7 and 8. 7 plus 7. Okay, number 9. 6 plus 12. And number 10. 10 plus 10. Okay, so you're going to answer. Okay, so please read carefully. Okay, think twice so that your answer is correct. Okay, if you have any question, you ask Teacher June and Teacher Nit or Teacher Ben. Okay, that's